Semo yechigosori nigo team ya Kisii Golf Club yanyara ko bage kwariganya amamerano yeri tukerimo yabana bake asegeti ya Sports Club mamerano yo nigaringe nekerenga yoko barentamo abaki abake benko bose chigosori icho cha golf ukwana segeti ekyo abateneri be club ya Kisii Golf nigo bano batebire nige kerenge kekirache ko bage kogendera kira rituko bosekera chingaki abori kwa bari isiko aserusa yo mutimoko botambe asibona batebire nigo bona amamerene ande buna yara chikwane ke omutinyi obusomutinyo gatano na gatatu kirabari ko brache ko ba erusa nabo igaso mutimoko yo mutambe gwerusa omutinyi o 12 nigo bona bakirambu yamono ababwatani bonse bari bene kya wikirania omuyigo yo asabo igo batebire ni eyunigo ere bune nchira yamo yugo chigokinia abana abo ase chinjira chingiya nabo ko bachinga kicho kwane kya buna nkwegenderia bare ase osongwegenderia bare ase ogoke okubwatirana nechi talanta chabo chiagenkyo.
My name is Eliza Buyeke, Kisii Sports Club Junior Convener. I really want to appreciate and thank the parents, the support that we received also from the club. The juniors themselves, they've been working hard. We've been running a clinic for the whole of April, and now we're culminating with the tournament that we're having today. We appreciate for the sponsorship that we've got. Our senior golfers, the members in the club, they've all been supportive to ensure that this day has been a success. And as you look at the day, it's very sunny. Actually, it was threatening to rain like the previous days, but we thank God that the weather is good. The juniors are enjoying the course, and as one of the parents has noted, we are happy that we even have a 2 club, which is so exciting for all of us and even for the junior. So, and we call forward for such initiatives, and we hope that we can be running them, if not every holiday according to the academic calendar. We can at least try to have even if it's one major.
Kama kwa jina naitwa Wycliffe Ayenda, mwenyekiti Kisii Sports Club, ama chairman Kisii Sports Club. Kwanza leo ningependa sana kushukuru mdhamini wa leo. Leo tuko na mchezo wa majunia wadogo kuanzia miaka 8 mpaka 17. Wako junior karibu zaidi ya 40 actually. And kwa leo ni sikukuu, kama ni siku nzuri sana kama Kisii Sports Club. Hii ni mara ya kwanza tumekuwa na juniors kucheza mchezo wa golf.
Adrian Monari, captain of Kisii Golf Club, actually Kisii Sports Club. We are having a beautiful event today. We have the juniors tournament. It is actually very vibrant. We have about, so far we have about 45 juniors. Quite a number of post entries as well, so that number will go up. The juniors are really enjoying themselves. It's a big tournament. We've been having clinics throughout the school holidays every day. It's been free clinics. We've had a really huge turnout. Today we have juniors from around the region. As you can see, they're still playing. Nandi Club, all the way from Kakamega, Eldoret, Kericho, Nyanza, and they're really enjoying themselves. Thanks to ABSA for sponsoring us for this day. They gave us a good sponsorship, and that's what has enabled us to have such a wonderful event. As you can see, it's ongoing. Kids are really enjoying themselves, and this will be continuous over school holidays and even over weekends, even when they're in school. We've been pushing for more juniors because we know future of golf is in the juniors. With this kind of clinics and this kind of events, then we are going to see quite a huge number, because there's a very huge pool of students. We are even approaching schools to give us more juniors, to just build interest in the game. There's been a lot of
to say is I want to appreciate
kumurikere chine chigosori cha golf chanyara ko bachiko ene kiwase egeti ya